Today we're going to talk about how to make fresh beets. A lot of different ways you can serve these, either by themselves as a standalone side dish. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to serve it with warm goat cheese. We're going to make a beet salad. The ingredients for that, obviously you want to get some fresh beets, a little bit of goat cheese. We're going to use a little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper today. One of the first things you do with the beet is you've got to cut it. You want to go about 2 inches above the beet itself. Okay, now that our water's come to a boil, we're going to add some salt, some white vinegar, and then the beets. And we're going to reduce the heat to a slow simmer. And based on the size of those beets, we're going to let it go about 35 minutes. To warm up the goat cheese, you can certainly put that in the oven and wrap it in some aluminum foil. I'm going to cut a corner today and I'm going to do it in the microwave. I'm going to put it in for about 45 seconds at a time and occasionally stir it till it gets to the right consistency. It took about a minute in the microwave for this to heat up. Now that the beets have cooked, there are 2 hazards you're going to have to be aware of. Number 1 is that the beets are really hot. You can wait for them to cool off. That takes about 10 or 15 minutes. They do hold their heat quite a while. The other one is the beet juice. The beet juice will stain your fingers red for a couple of days, so if that's a concern, or either one, you've got one of these. This is a fantastic beet tool a friend gave to me, and you just stick it in the beet and it holds it so you don't have to get your fingers red or burned. Slice off the ends, and then the skin just peels right off with a flat knife like this. We're going to cut these either in 4s or 6s depending upon the size of the beet. And once our beets are in there, I'm going to put in a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and there you have it. Beet and warm goat cheese salad. Please click like, subscribe, and if you are interested in seeing more videos, please ring the bell.